Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "Racist Woman Goes Insane After Getting Exposed." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
On the evening of November 17th, 2024, police were dispatched to investigate the report of a disturbance outside a local apartment complex in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Witnesses described a 55-year-old woman shouting and threatening bystanders. As the situation escalated, she allegedly approached an individual and directed racist remarks toward them. Once police finally arrived, she showed no hesitation in expressing her thoughts.
Cross police, what's the issue?
Nothing. Talking. So, you don't have no family members left? Is that what's
She's
going
just
on?
going on about some racist.
Racist? I'm talking to you about your family members. How's that racist?
Was she saying racial things to you?
No,
What was
that's
she
it.
saying?
I have a bunch of videos I can check, but it's somewhere along the lines of, did you see how red this country was?
Yeah. Did you not see how red
All right.
this country was when they
I'll talk to you
voted?
over here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's red. Is that a big thing?
You got ID on you, boss?
Not on me, but this is my car. I think it's
Can you grab it,
my
please?
Is that a arrestable offense?
What's going on?
Nothing.
Well, why are we getting calls about you?
Because he got hurt feelings.
About what?
I don't know. Ask him.
Okay. Do you live here?
No, I was walking through and he got hurt feelings. He said, hold on, I'm calling the cops. I said, okay.
What are his feelings hurt about?
Because I told him it don't matter who's president.
Okay.
The president's going to fix the country. Oh, you're prejudiced. No, I'm not. And then it went on.
I got you. Do you have ID on you?
No,
What's your name?
I ain't giving you nothing. I want to talk to an attorney.
Okay.
I want to talk to a lawyer right now, at this moment.
Do you have a lawyer?
I'll get one.
Okay.
Or book me in and I'll find one.
What?
Book me in and I'll find one.
Okay. What's your plan for the rest of the night?
I'm going home. That's where I was going, but he wanted me to hang out here to talk to you.
Gotcha.
Why? I don't know. He said, hang out here. I'm calling the cops. Okay. Why you want me to talk to you? I don't know.
So what happened, man?
So I'm coming out. I'm going to get groceries, and she came up to me and she was like, "Can I ask you something?" She's like, "These girls, I was trying to talk to them, and they ran inside like I was gonna them." I'm like, okay. So I keep walking, and she starts talking to me about how red it is, how I'm invading.
You know, arrest me. Arrest me. I'll go. No problem.
Why do you want to go to jail? Did you do anything?
I don't want to go to jail. He wants me to go to jail.
Did you do anything?
Weirdo.
Anything
You
physical?
a weirdo.
Did anything
You
physical?
acting stupid. Ask me a real question, ignorant fool.
Yeah, you've had quite a bit to drink tonight, haven't you?
No, I haven't.
I can smell it coming from
No, I have had a drink, but
Yeah.
what I'm saying is you asking stupid, like President Trump said, you a Democrat. You acting stupid, asking stupid questions.
you. I don't think Trump ever
He
said
asked
that.
me over here to talk to you. I come over here to talk to you.
I started taking videos and she's like, "No, I didn't say that." I take the phone down. She's like, yellow, just talking. She's like, what are you alone in the country? Do you have your family? It's like just absolute nonsense.
What you trying to figure out, bro?
Did anything physical happen between you guys?
No, I don't like him. He's not sexy. I'm not attracted to him.
Did you
so
punch
no.
him?
Punch him?
Yeah.
Did he punch me?
That's what I'm trying to
Why don't
figure
you go
out.
ask him?
I'm asking you.
Then I got to the point, I was like, I'm trying to leave, and she's like, in the car, I swear I won't do anything. I was like, I don't want to touch the car.
You want to pursue charges?
No.
Sure.
I mean, what is the process?
It'll be a ticket.
Okay, then, yeah,
Okay.
let's do it.
He did. He touched me.
Okay.
He pushed me like this.
He pushed you?
Yeah.
Did you push him?
You know better. No, we didn't touch each other. Why are you acting stupid and asking stupid questions?
Ma'am,
Ignorant.
did you get a name on it?
No, he's asking stupid. No, I'm not giving you an ID.
Okay, so here's the thing.
Then take me to jail. I'm not giving you an ID.
Here, let me talk to you quick.
I'm not giving you an
Yeah, see, here's the thing, right? Now that we have our great, one of the greatest presidents we've ever had, President Trump. Now that we got him back in office, now some of the Trump supporters are not like me, right? I'm a Trump supporter, but I see the real, you know what I mean? Like, you got some guys who are Trump supporters who are just, racist and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, come on, man. the thing is, with her, she clearly is racist and talking to this guy, in derogatory, terms and stuff like that before the cops even got there. And this is the type of stuff that we can't be allowing. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I like Trump's, you know what I'm saying? I grew up as a kid watching him on TV, you know what I'm saying, with The Apprentice and everything like that. So, Trump always been in the loop. I remember when he was he did the little skit and wrestling and stuff like that and everything. So, do I think Trump is racist? No, I honestly don't think so. But I think, he can kind of say some off the wall things, and it could create a civil war in a sense, you know what I mean, within our own country. So, but never mind that. Getting off track. This lady here, I mean, she is just asking to go to jail. She wants to go to jail. She probably thinks maybe Trump might pardon her, okay, for her little maybe a 1 week sentence that she gets sentenced to for whatever this is. But you have freedom of speech and everything, but you just want to still be courteous of people. You don't just, come on, you don't want to be off the wall. You know what I mean?
ID. He asked me over. He talking stupid, called me a white crank. What the is a crank?
Okay. Well,
What the is a crank?
I have no idea.
Ask
but
him.
I'm trying to talk
Ask
to you.
him.
Okay. So.
No, you
he's-
coming over here threatening is what you're doing. Once you bring them shoulders back and quit acting like I'm the criminal. Huh? How about that?
Are you done talking?
How about you be done talking?
Well, you haven't given me an
Well,
opportunity
no,
to talk.
because you already took his side. So bring your shoulders down because they don't scare me.
Okay.
Lozen, I know.
Okay. Well, I'm just trying to talk to you. I'm not trying to
Well,
scare
then
you.
talk and quit like that at me. Because it don't work. It makes me more angry.
Sounds.
When a man acts like they can dominate a woman, it's stupid.
Okay. We're just out here with you because it sounds like you were bugging some of the.
No, I was standing here. He came to me.
Okay. Well, it sounds like you made some inappropriate racial.
No, I didn't.
She said that it makes her mad that when she feels like a man can dominate a woman. But you're also a Trump supporter, and Trump said, grab him by the... Hey, if you know that famous line, grab him by the kitty cat, you hear me? So, yeah. Oh, this lady is confused.
That's what he said. I could tell you what he said.
And then Trump is passing the whole bill about if whoever is claiming child support cannot claim taxes on the child, like yeah, a lot of ladies is gonna be mad at that, man. I'll tell you, cause that's another thing. When they have a kid, you know what I'm saying, you get way more money. You're getting 10,000, 13,000, depending on how many kids you have, you're getting that in back taxes and stuff like that, but still trying to claim child support and whatever. Yeah, I'm not gonna turn this into like a political thing, so I'm gonna just let the thing rock out, and we just gonna rock out, all right?
Do you believe me?
Well,
And say it sounds
say?
like she said you said this.
What
Bullshit.
did he say to you?
No, it don't matter. In court of law, she said bullshit. So don't bring that to me.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out what he said.
No.
Are you gonna? Do you have ID on you?
No, I'm
What's-
not giving you ID. I ain't
what's your
done
name?
nothing for you to ID me.
What's your name?
It don't matter. Ask him. He's the one that called you. You're going to put on gloves like, I'm going to arrest her. I got to put on gloves.
Well,
Is that it? Is that what you're doing?
I just like
All
my
right,
hands
let's
to be
go.
clean.
He wants to arrest me. Let's go. He wants to arrest me.
So what's your name?
He wants to arrest me. Go ahead.
What's your name?
I ain't giving you that.
Okay. Well,
Arrest
if you
me.
don't give
That's
me your
fine.
name, you're gonna go to jail.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Place your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
No, I ain't giving you that. I've done nothing wrong.
You're under arrest for obstructing disorderly conduct.
I ain't done nothing.
And I don't know if you have any
Disorderly.
bonds or anything, or if you're on probation.
Whatever, take me down. We'll find out. We'll find out.
50 pepper
Let's
next
go. Where we going? All right, because I wouldn't give you my name.
I tried to give you plenty of chances to talk to me, to provide a
Yeah, he's the one that
identification
said
card,
it, not
and
me.
I'm not gonna play these games of
I
stupidity
didn't
with
say
you,
that.
Okay? So you are going to jail. There's nothing changing my mind about
I
that.
didn't say that. Cigarettes. That's all right.
You're also going to have a no contact
To who?
here.
Where is this anyway? I don't know. What is this place?
Do you have a t-shirt under this?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is this place though, for real? I'm asking. You ain't gonna tell me?
I mean, I don't know. You tell me. Where do you
I
think
don't
you are?
know. I think I'm about to call.
You are correct.
No, quit. I ain't got no guns. What are you looking for?
We have to empty all your pockets.
A what?
We have to empty all your pockets by the
Oh
jail
yeah, I
policy.
ain't got. That's my freaking. What, you trying to get my money?
No.
Stop.
I have to, it's by policy. I have to.
What
check
do you
your-
want? I ain't got no. You think I'm a terrorist? Crazy weirdo. What the fuck? You all up in my teeth. You all up in my teeth.
Don't breathe
You
in my
all.
face.
Get out. Turn your camera on.
Ma'am,
You all in my teeth.
I need to.
You all in my teeth. You're in my teeth. You're in my teeth. You're funny. You're in my teeth. Quit. I ain't got nothing. Oh well, that. I forgot about that. Quit. You so naughty.
Will you provide a breath sample to see how much you've been drinking?
Nope.
All right.
Y'all gotta get my lawyer. I want a lawyer.
Who's your lawyer?
I want a lawyer.
Who's your lawyer? I'll call him up.
After being placed inside the squad car, she began aggressively barking at Canine Rock.
I want a lawyer. You're getting done at me.
All right, have a seat back there.
Hey. Stop it, Dave. Stop doing that, please.
If she was a 3-0, she wouldn't be walking.
Can you just have the county ready for me? Did they say any bonds or any?
I just ran her.
I did. I ID'd him. He said he had some videos. Can you just grab them?
Yeah.
Hey, Mike, real quick. You think the hate crime statute will fall under this?
I'll read it and
Let me know.
As she persisted in communicating with Canine Rock, she started banging her head around.
Stop. Stop banging your head.
All right, man, I just got this for you. It's Rights and Resources, the victim of a crime.
Sweet.
Did you have videos?
I do have some videos.
Did you show him?
I didn't. No.
Okay, you just want to show me quick?
Stop. Stop banging your head.
She's trying to time up her racial comments to when my phone was put down, but...
Alright, I'm gonna give you one more chance to get the out of here, okay?
47. They're out the county. Starting villages. 3-2 break. 3-2 break.
And I put the phone down and she just made racial comments, but she's... I would have gotten in the car, but she's making it seem like she's gonna kick it or something.
Blah, blah, blah. I didn't say that.
Stop doing that.
Why do you say that?
Because coming from the generations, you are a disappointment in all areas of life.
Bam.
This is completely ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Like, my head is just like, what am I listening to here? All I'm hearing is barking, her head pounding. This guy is freaking keeps yelling. It's like, who can get through this video, honestly? Like, honestly, who can get through this video? Because I can't. I'm starting to get a headache by listening to this. Thank God this video is almost over, okay? Because this is absolutely ridiculous. Man, imagine editing this video or whatever, or putting it together and stuff. Because there's a whole bunch of clips that happen and then they kind of edit it down. But to when you edit in a video, you keep listening to the same stuff all over and over. But anyways, oh man, let's go, man, because she's a hot mess, man, and she'll be out in a few hours. All this is a complete waste of time, honestly.
Stop doing that! Oh, she's banging her head the whole time here. Yeah, she's yelling. Nope. Just going, ah!
In the end, the 55-year-old woman was only charged with misdemeanor disorderly conduct and was released 2 days later on a $1,000 signature bond. Want a deeper look into the channel or...
See, I guess I was wrong, because I thought she would have been out in a few hours, but she got out in 2 days, all right? Not bad, 48 hours? Okay.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.